Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add split screens in Premiere Pro. Once you have your two clips, we can drag this one to our timeline, and that will be on the first layer. And for the other video, let's drag it onto the second layer. After that, let's select the top clip and go to Effect Controls, and you can then modify the X position to have it on the right side. As you can see, I don't have my subject at the center on the right side, so we can go to Effects and search for Crop, and let's drag this one to the top clip. Now let's go back to Effect Controls, scroll down, and I can then crop the left side of the clip at the right to have my subject centered. And once we have cropped it, we can then adjust the position again to have it on the center at the right side. Now let's select the other clip at the bottom and center the subject as you desire. Now select your pen tool and create 2 points at the center, and this will be the reference points to create a line later on. Now focus on the essential graphics, and you can uncheck the fill and check the stroke only, and you can then adjust the stroke width as you prefer. Keep it at 11. You can then adjust the duration of your line. You can also adjust the size of our line if it did not fill the whole way through, so you can zoom in, and let's drag this one at the bottom to have no broken line. And that is how you can basically create a simple split screen in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.